Keep your vehicle spotless with the best car exterior cleaners, removing dirt, grime, and road contaminants while restoring a brilliant, long-lasting shine. My today's video is about top 5 best car exterior cleaners for sparkling shine that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Waterless Car Wash Spray. The Chemical Guy's Swift Wipe Waterless Wash Spray, CWS 20916, is an excellent solution for drivers who want a fast, effective clean without the need for water. Its high lubrication formula surrounds dirt and grime, allowing contaminants to be wiped away with minimal friction, which helps reduce the risk of swirl marks and fine scratches. The spray works safely on virtually every exterior surface, including paint, glass, chrome, wheels, and plastic trim, leaving no streaks or sticky residue behind. It's especially useful for apartment residents, road trips, car shows, or locations where washing with water isn't practical. Beyond cleaning, Swift Wipe enhances your vehicle's appearance by adding a smooth, glossy finish while leaving a light protective layer that helps repel dust and dirt between washes. Although it isn't intended for heavily mud-covered vehicles, it's an outstanding choice for routine maintenance, light cleaning, and keeping your car looking freshly detailed with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Now our second product is Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. The Fortify Quick Coat ceramic coating spray is a versatile detailing solution that combines a waterless wash, spray wax, and ceramic-style protection into one easy-to-use product. Its advanced hybrid formula produces a deep, mirror-like gloss while creating a slick protective barrier that repels water, dust, and everyday road grime. One of its standout features is the rapid 15-minute bonding time, allowing the coating to cure quickly without the long waiting periods associated with many traditional ceramic products. The waterless wash capability safely removes light dust and surface contaminants, making it perfect for routine maintenance when a full wash isn't necessary. Application is incredibly simple. Just spray and wipe for an instant showroom-quality shine and impressive water beading. The durable polymer layer helps preserve your vehicle's finish for months, reducing future cleaning effort while maintaining a glossy appearance. Although heavily soiled vehicles should still receive a proper wash first, Fortify Quick Coat is an excellent choice for anyone seeking fast application, lasting protection, and professional-looking results. Our third product is Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Protectant Spray. Meguiar's Ultimate Insane Shine Protectant is an outstanding choice for restoring and protecting unpainted vinyl, rubber, and plastic surfaces with minimal effort. Its all-in-one formula cleans, shines, and protects in a single application, making routine detailing faster and more convenient. Unlike many high-gloss dressings, it delivers a rich, deep finish without leaving behind an oily or greasy residue, keeping surfaces looking clean rather than artificially slick. The built-in UV absorbers help guard interior and exterior trim against fading, cracking, and discoloration caused by prolonged sun exposure, extending the life of your vehicle surfaces. Suitable for dashboards, door panels, trim, bumpers, and weather stripping, it provides a consistent, long-lasting shine that reduces the need for frequent reapplication. Meguiar's decades of detailing expertise are evident in the product's quality and performance. While it's not intended for painted surfaces or glass, it excels at reviving dull trim and maintaining a fresh, showroom-like appearance with durable protection and effortless application. Now number 4, Griot's Garage Speed Shine for car detailing. This quick detailer spray is an excellent solution for maintaining a freshly washed appearance without the time and effort of a full car wash. Designed for fast touch-ups, it safely removes dust, fingerprints, light road grime, and even fresh bird droppings from all exterior surfaces, including paint, glass, chrome, plastic, rubber, trim, and wheels. Its advanced lubricating formula helps lift contaminants gently, reducing the chance of swirl marks or scratches during wiping. In just a few minutes, it restores a deep, streak-free gloss that makes your vehicle look freshly detailed. The simple spray-on, Wipe-off application is perfect for busy owners, daily maintenance, road trips, or adding a final shine before car shows. While it isn't intended to replace a traditional wash on heavily soiled vehicles, it excels at preserving your vehicle's finish between washes. Overall, this detailing spray delivers convenience, impressive shine, and safe cleaning performance, making it an essential addition to any car care routine for keeping your vehicle looking spotless every day. And our last choice is Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner. The Chemical Guy's Total Interior Canister Wipes are a convenient and effective solution for keeping your vehicle's cabin clean without carrying multiple bottles or sprays. Each pre-moistened wipe uses the same trusted total interior formula, safely removing fingerprints, dust, light spills, and everyday grime while leaving a streak-free, non-greasy finish. These wipes are designed for virtually every interior surface, including leather, vinyl, plastic, fabric, glass, touchscreens, dashboards, door panels, center consoles, and seats, eliminating the need for separate cleaning products. The resealable canisters keep the wipes fresh, making them ideal for daily commuters, rideshare drivers, families with multiple vehicles, and fleet operators. The 2-canister pack allows you to keep one in each vehicle for quick maintenance whenever needed. While they're best suited for routine cleaning rather than heavily soiled interiors, they deliver impressive convenience and consistent results. Overall, these wipes are a practical, time-saving addition to any car care kit, helping maintain a clean, fresh-looking interior with minimal effort. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.